In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shein about missing items. If you've been eagerly awaiting a package from Shein only to realize that it's missing an item, don't worry. This guide is here to help you resolve the issue efficiently. Let's go through the steps together so you can reach out to Shein customer service effectively and get the answers you need. To begin, you'll want to open up the Shein website on your desktop. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection to avoid any issues while navigating their site. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice the option to sign in. Use your account credentials to log in. This will give you access to your order history and facilitate your communication with the Shein support team. Once you're signed in, look for the customer service option. It's usually quite easy to spot and is typically located towards the bottom of the page or within a menu that guides you towards help and support links. This section is your gateway to accessing the information and assistance you need concerning your orders. After clicking on customer service, you'll find a range of topics. Here, you'll want to click around until you see the prompt "Why is my item missing?" appear. This may involve toggling through some initial questions, so don't be deterred if it takes a moment to find the right spot. Clicking on this prompt should present a detailed explanation or a set of instructions that aim to clarify common issues regarding missing items. Now, if the automated responses provided do not fully address your concerns, or if you feel the need for further clarification, there's always the option to contact a live agent. This is a fantastic feature for when your issue is more nuanced and you need personalized assistance. To reach a live customer service representative, simply navigate to the message box located at the bottom of the screen. You'll want to type in the words "Live Agent" in this box. When you do this, an option to contact live agents will appear. Click on it to begin a chat with an actual person who is equipped to help you with more complex inquiries. They can assist you by providing more specific information about your order and guide you on the necessary steps to resolve the issue of your missing items. Remember, being courteous and clear about your issue can often expedite the process and lead to a quicker resolution. With this guidance, you're now ready to contact Shein about your missing items. Good luck, and I hope your issue is quickly resolved.